Are you aware that 80% of ultrasonic energy in a tank is focused in about 20 to 25% of the areas? Surprised? There are studies that have shown that this is what happens. There are new advancements or innovations that have helped overcome this particular handicap. Some are using ultrasonic transducers of different frequencies, then multi-frequency transducer, the single transducer giving different frequencies. You have changes in the tank structure, and you also have various other mechanical appendages that are being used. All this, either individually or in combination, help produce uniform distribution of ultrasonic energy. And this can be quantified. I'm Chandrakant Tiwari, founder of Evergreen Solutions, and we are in the business of offering high precision cleaning ultrasonic equipment. We have partnerships with EnviroFluid and Ultratechnos. Now, in case you're looking to increase the efficiency of your cleaning by at least 50 to 70%, then you could take advantage of the offer that we have for you. We could get into a 30 minutes conversation with absolutely free for people who click the link, no strings attached, normally about 3,500, but for anybody who comes through this particular page, we are willing to do it free of charge for you. We are also having special prices for equipment that we are offering for this. So get in touch with us, and we look forward to being a part of your cleaning journey.